I'm here with an average American homemaker with her own Apple personal computer. Jill, do you use your Apple for household budgeting?
Actually, I'm working in gold futures.
Well, you could probably put a lot of recipes in there, huh?
And you can do trend analyses, generate bar graphs.
Are you really a homemaker?
Of course.
So Apple is the appliance of the 80s for all those pesky household chores.
I also own a small steel mill.
My Apple is my manager.
There are more people in more places doing more things with Apples than with any other personal computer in the world.
Apple computer.
Produktion, Kontrolle ohne den Apple? Unmöglich.
And of all these people using Apples, most had never touched a computer before.
This is my Apple.
Apple, the most personal computer.
The way some business people spend their time has very little to do with the clock. At Apple, we understand that business as usual isn't anymore. That's why we make the most advanced personal computers in the world. And why soon there'll be just two kinds of people.
Hi.
Those who use computers.
Yeah, I'll be home for breakfast.
And those who use Apples. A sophisticated business computer. And to use it, all you have to do is learn this. This is Macintosh from Apple, also a highly sophisticated business computer, and to use it, all you have to do is learn this. Now, you decide which one is more sophisticated. Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us.
J'ai le billet, monsieur.
Parlo 7 lingue, ma questo non lo capisco.
Introducing the first portable computer you already know how to use.
Excuse me. It's my computer. I seem to be having trouble. I know nothing about computers.
I'm sorry. I don't know anything about computers either.